Pre-Board Exam 2025. Class 12 Economics. 1. D. All of these. 2. C. Capital formation. 3. True. 4. B. Net national product at factor cost plus net factor income from abroad. 5. A. 0.4. 6. False. 7. Quantitative. 8. C. Excise duty. 9. A. Raw material. 10. False. 11. A. Industrial and Financial Reconstruction Board. 12. False. 13. 2006. 14. False. 15. A. 1997. 16. True. 17. Positive. 18. B. Qualitative. 19. D. 100. 20. Retail. Q. 3. I. In which year the new economic policy was adopted by India? 1991. Who is considered to be the father of new economic policy adopted by India? Manmohan Singh. What were the objectives of the new economic policy? To free the economy from controls, reduce inflation, and open to private and foreign investment. What measures were taken in the new economic policy? Reduced import duties, opened reserved areas for private companies, devalued the Indian currency. What does new economic policy favor? Economic liberalization, deregulation of markets, and tax cuts. What measures were taken to increase the country's exports in the new economic policy? Devaluation of the Indian currency. Q3. 2. Which was the most polluted city in India according to the data obtained for the year 2019, and what was its PM2.5 reading and air quality index? Ghaziabad, 115 micrograms per cubic meter, 179. Which was the least polluted city in India according to the data obtained for the year 2019, and what was its PM2.5 reading and air quality index? Satna, 15.5 micrograms per cubic meter, 58. What was the biggest cause of air pollution in rural areas? Burning organic materials. What was the biggest cause of air pollution in urban areas? Industries and vehicles. Explain the position of India, China and USA in terms of production of greenhouse gases. India is the third largest producer after China and the USA. Write a note on the rate of air pollution in India. India has a high rate of air pollution, with 21 of the 30 most polluted cities globally in 2019.